Yeah, in this video we're going to look at another example of a dangerous hand. In the previous videos we have been looking at the dangerous hand and a few examples. In this video we're going to look at another example of a dangerous hand, but this time in a trump contract. In the previous videos it was a no trump contract. In this video we're going to look at a trump contract, so you can also have the dangerous hand in a trump contract. So let's look at an example. South opens the bidding. North opens the bidding. North opens the bidding, one club. East bids one diamond as an overcall. There's at least 5 diamonds, at least 8 points. Now South is hit hand with 1 spade. Maybe there's a fit in spades, we don't know that yet. Now North bids 2 spades, so there's a fit in spades, he has 4 spades. And probably a minimum opening hand, maximum 14 points. East passes, and South has an opening hand and 4 spades. Knowing North has an opening hand and 4 spades, he goes to 4 spades. There's a game on. I think he has, together they have probably 25, 26 points. 8 spades together, there's a fit in spades. And so he goes to 4 spades. The lead from West is the 8 of diamonds. Now, as ever in a trump contract, we count the losers first. 1 loser in spade, 1 loser in heart, 2 losers in diamonds, if you count the losers from South, and 1 loser in club. So 1 in spade, 1 in heart, 2 in diamonds and 1 in club. So we have 5 losers counting from South. If you count the losers from North, because then I think it's 1 in heart, 1 in diamond, 2 in club and 1 in spade. So we still have 5 losers. Because if you have 4 trumps in North and 4 trumps in South, you count the losers from North and from South. In this case there's no difference, we still have 5 losers. So we have to get rid of 2 losers. How can we get rid of 2 losers? Now if you look at the spades, we can use the finesse. We have to catch the queen. There's nothing we can do in heart. We might ruff a diamond in North, and we can ruff a diamond. And let's see what happens. So the lead is the 8 of diamonds. Now we have to be aware now, the lead is the 8 of diamonds. How many diamonds does East has? 5. South has 4 diamonds, North 3. East bid 1 diamond, at least 5 diamonds, which means the West leads a singleton. The lead of West is a singleton diamond, at the 8 of diamonds. We have to be very, very, very aware of that. Now we win the first trick with the ace of diamonds. That's clear, we win the first trick and then we immediately play the spade. That is a danger now, because there is now a dangerous hand. The problem is, if we play the club or something else, what might happen, that East wins the trick and he plays a diamond. So East wins the trick and he plays the diamond, and then West ruffs the diamond. So that's something to be aware of, that East is the dangerous hand. We cannot afford to have East having regained the lead, because if you play the diamond, West will ruff. So because of that we have to draw the trumps first. There's no other solution. We play the 6 of diamonds and the 6 of spades, and we have to use the finesse from North to South. We can use the finesse from South to North, and we can do the finesse from North to South. In this case we do the finesse from North to South, because East is the dangerous hand. So we play the 6 of spades and then we play the ace. We have to make sure East doesn't win a trick. We continue the spade with the jack of spades. East plays the queen. Now we play the king. We have to make sure that East doesn't win a trick. And the spade split 3-2. Now we continue drawing trumps. All trumps are out now. And now I think that we played the king of diamonds easily now, because whatever happens, West cannot ruff anymore, he doesn't have any trumps anymore, and we continue with another diamond. Later on we ruff the diamond to the 6 and to the 10. East continue with the queen of hearts, play the ace of hearts, and we can play the 3 of hearts to the king of hearts, and now we can ruff the diamond. So we just ruff the diamond in north. We could also have ruffed the club in south, but it doesn't matter. You can see now, you can easily make the contract now. The queen of diamonds, but this time we can ruff in south with the 8 of spades. And now we can play the club to the ace of clubs, and we lose the last trick, for we make 10 tricks. Now you see now that there were 5 losers. There were 5 losers, but that we using the finesse, we won the queen of spades and we ruffed the diamond. So looking from south, so we discard 2 losers, we can get rid of 2 losers in diamond and in spades. What would have happened now if we do the finesse from the other side? So let's say we play the finesse from, let's say, we do the finesse the other way around. So we do the finesse from south to north. And let's say we play the 6 of spades. We start with the king of spades, and then we do the finesse, but then East wins the trick with the queen of spades and we continue with the diamond. And we can play the ace of diamonds, but then West ruffs the diamond. He ruffs the diamond, and then he continue with a heart. For example, the 8 of hearts. We win this trick with the king of hearts. And we still lose a heart, and we still lose the diamond, the jack of diamonds. To the 6 of diamonds, and then plays another diamond to the 3 of diamonds. We ruff with the 9 of spades, and we even go 2 down, because now we lose the finesse on spade, and also that we lose an extra diamond. They ruffed the diamond, so we even go 2 down now. So there's something that to be aware of, that if you have, he can also have a dangerous end in a trump contract. In this case it was quite clear that West played a singleton diamond, so East was a dangerous end, because if he regains the lead he played a diamond and West can ruff. So we use the finesse in this scenario, in this board. We have to make sure from north to south, we have to make sure that East doesn't win a trick. So I think the lesson is that we can also have a dangerous end in a trump contract. So that was the end of the video. We talked about the dangerous end in a trump contract. So we watched 5 videos now about the dangerous end in a trump contract, in a no trump contract. I hope it was all clear.